and welcome to Raisin Ronies. We are trying an experiment for the children. We have these planters.
I'm Tootie.
She doesn't want to be got. Go grab your other baby. Normally you would put them in totes. That's the only one I found that I had around here. I wasn't going to buy any. So we are going to try the kids' wading pools from last year. The twins played in them, and I know they need to be cleaned up and they can use them this year, but I'm not for sure. They're getting bigger. They probably don't care. Well, in between planting, I have to chase babies because they don't care if they have shoes on or not. Oh, Grace, you're not helping. They have to go see the chicken. They have to go see.
Chicken. Yeah, chicken.
What is that, Joy?
Okay.
Bun, where are you? Come out wherever you are.
Grace, hold the door. She'll go in there. And they don't have shoes on. They don't need to be walking around in there.
Hey, Mama, there's a chicken laying there.
Okay.
Go get it.
Oh, they want to go in.
No.
They won't let you in. Oh, that baby wants to see them chicks. Oh, that's a big squeezy hug. Okay. Oh, you found Bun Bun?
Bun, look.
They want to play with Bun Bun. They have to play with the bunny every time they get out. Love, Bun Bun.
Aww.
Give him love.
Hi, Bun Bun.
They love animals. Bun Bun. Oh, she wants to love chick.
Don't stick your finger in there. Don't stick your finger in there.
I'll stick my boot in there.
Okay, tell Bun Bun bye-bye. We got to go back to planting. We'll never get anything done today if I have to chase you two around. Come on, Joy. Let's go back. Come on, let's go this way. Come on.
I'm following you.
Come on.
Come on, hurry up.
Come on.
Hurry up, Joy.
Come on, Samuel. Help me get them back. So we captured the babies again, and hopefully they'll sit there and eat their crackers for a few minutes.
Mom, the baby.
So we're going to see if two of these, come on y'all, put them in here. We're going to make do with what we have. Say hello, Ronnies. Faith, Hope, Christopher, Samuel. Come on. They don't look too happy this morning. They've been doing school. They should be happy to be outside. Okay, so we have these pellets. They're from Grower Solution. They actually, when you add water, they swell up. And they have this little area you put seed in and cover. So I think it'll take about 6 wide. That's too close, Faith. It's going to take 6. And then we're going to work our way down because they will swell up. Give Samuel some. Samuel, get you some. And then we're not doing all these seeds. We're mostly doing, I think, the California Wonder bell pepper, bush beef tomato, and the beefy tomato, and some jalapeno peppers. And then I do have a mixed grand bell pepper and a sweet banana. So while they're doing that, I do the best you can to operate. Keep the babies occupied. And I'm not sure how long this will take. I had put that one in to see what it would do earlier. So we'll do this, put some water in it, and come back later and see if it's ready to plant. Charity wants, no, that's Joy. Joy wants to help y'all. Like, I'll find the seeds. She's got to explore. Having fun, Gracie? Look at her playing in the dirt. Leave it to my child to find dirt and mud. She wants to make more dirt. Okay, so we got our Jiffy pellets down from Grower Solution. And what are we doing next, Faith?
Gonna pour some water over them to make the book.
What type of water?
Tap water. Hot water. Warm water. Warm water.
Okay, slowly. Get down there closer to them, kiddos. Kiddos. And we didn't have enough to fill up this other one. We have 200 of those, so that's going to be enough plants for us right now. Christopher, I don't think you need any more in yours right now. Still have some on this end. Oh, she wants to help. Oh, no, you don't need the Sharpie yet. We're not writing on those. We have these to mark our plants. She wants to mark herself, don't you? You want to mark yourself? Huh? No, look at that face. Ah, okay, so we're going to wait and come back later. And we're going to plant our peppers and our tomatoes. Okay, so we're to the process that we're trying to do our little holes that got covered up when we added the water and they swollen. We're just barely pushing it right back out. And this is going to be the beefsteak tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna let Grace try it. She already has, you putting 3, you gotta put them in the hole. Drop 3 in. You done this one?
Yes.
Okay, go to this one.
I see one.
You see, how many did you put in it?
1.
Okay, you gotta put 2 more, baby. Just to make sure. And this one. No, that one.
I put it in that one.
Okay. So Faith, these 2 right here have some.
Ma'am?
She done these 2.
These 2?
Yeah, she started out odd, but it's okay.
Do I do some?
You can come around here on this side. Come around on this side, baby. Samuel, come around where Grace was. Don't go far, Faith. You're going too deep.
Grace already do this.
No, you can do that one. You put 3 in it. They're teeny tiny, aren't they?
Hey Mom, what's this Wi-Fi?
You do that one?
Okay, where's your pencil, Faith?
It's over here.
Bring it right here. What we're going to do, Samuel,
Dropped it outside.
so we'll know that you already done this one. We're just going to cover him back up real quick so y'all know that these are done. Samuel, you're dropping them beside it. They're not going down. Let's push him down. It's okay. We'll get it. We've got plenty. If they come up good, if not, we've got tons of these.
I think I only put... Wait, I didn't do that one.
We'll take that one off then. Okay, now you see how that's done? So we got to make sure we get them all dropped in really good. And then we'll just cover them up. I just put 3 just to be on the safe side. Okay, now before we go any further, just so we can kind of see what we do. I don't have a sprayer, so we're using this. And the ones that's done, we're just gonna put that warm water over them and moist the seeds like that. You don't want it a lot. But after you're, so you do that after you put the seeds in, cover them. And I have some water in here, but as you can tell, it's not going in there because these little fishies are keeping the pans up. And this is just recycling. So we're going to add some more water in here to make it come up and actually put a little bit in our pan. Like that one has a little bit, but we got to move it around. And then we have these over here that we've got to do. And as you can tell, there's some water over here, but it's not enough to get into. Well, actually this one is. This one's doing right. See the water in it. So it's something that even the children can do, and they're learning to grow. And mine love tomato sandwiches. Oh my gosh, especially that one right there. Oh, you too. I forgot you.
Me too.
I know, you too. We like BTLTs, but we're fine with just tomato sandwiches. Mayonnaise, pepper and salt, and and especially bunny bread. Oh my gosh, that is the best.
Now you're preaching.
She can eat 2 or 3 by herself. But anyway, we're going to get back. Let's don't play with that. We're going to get back to doing these steps and everything. It takes a little bit of time trying to show, like Samuel and Grace, I want them to do some more. So with me trying to video and everything else, it's just hard for me to do. Christopher and Hope's in there with the twins because we wouldn't get this much done without that, with their help. Their help is not help lots of times. So, we'll catch you later. Grand bell peppers, we have 72 here. Over here we have 12 eggplants, 12 jalapenos, let's see, 12 sweet peppers, and 12 best boys. And then over here we have 78 beef today. So if all the children's little plants grow, we'll have some tomatoes and peppers and eggplants.